A car vacuum cleaner removes dirt, dust, and debris, keeping interiors clean and hygienic efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaner that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Limio Casa Car Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless handheld car vacuum is a practical and efficient solution for keeping your car interior spotless. Designed specifically for car cleaning, it easily reaches seats, floor mats, cup holders, and tight gaps that traditional vacuums struggle with. Its strong suction power excels at picking up pet hair, sand, crumbs, and dust, making it ideal for pet owners or anyone dealing with everyday messes. The lightweight, cordless design allows for effortless one-hand operation, reducing fatigue while maneuvering in tight spaces. A standout feature is the built-in LED light, which illuminates dark corners under seats and between cushions, ensuring no hidden dirt is left behind. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments, including a crevice tool, brush nozzle, extension hose, and pet hairbrush, making it versatile for both car and home use. Whether cleaning sofas, office desks, or small messes, this vacuum delivers thorough, convenient, and efficient cleaning for a pristine environment. Now our second product is Power Practical Car Vacuum Cleaner. This mini car vacuum is a highly practical and powerful solution for keeping your vehicle interior spotless. Compact and lightweight at just 2.4 pounds, it's easy to handle and perfect for quick cleanups, whether it's ash, dust, food spills, or pet hair. The large dustbin ensures you can tackle messes without constantly emptying it, making it ideal for daily use or road trips. Powered by a 106W motor with cyclonic suction, this vacuum easily removes dirt, crumbs, and stubborn debris from hard-to-reach areas, while the washable HEPA filter ensures cleaner air inside your car. It comes with a full interior detailing kit, including 3 attachments: flathead, extendable, and brush nozzle, a carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter, making it versatile for every cleaning task. Convenience is a major plus. Powered via a 12V AUX outlet with a 16-foot cord, it provides plenty of reach for back seats, trunks, and tight spaces without running out of battery. Perfect for maintaining a tidy, fresh interior. Our third product is Black Plus Decker Car Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless handheld vacuum is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool, perfect for both home and car use. Lightweight and rechargeable, it offers the convenience of portability, allowing you to tackle messes anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. Its compact design makes it easy to hold during use and simple to store when not needed. Ideal for multi-surface cleaning, it effectively removes dirt, pet hair, debris, and dust from carpets, furniture, car interiors, stairs, and other high-traffic areas. The rotating slim nozzle and pull-out crevice tool make it easy to reach tight or awkward spaces, while the flip-up brush adds extra versatility for dusting delicate surfaces. Equipped with cyclonic action, this vacuum spins dust and debris away from the filter, maintaining strong and consistent suction throughout use. Durable, efficient, and thoughtfully designed, it's a must-have for keeping your home and vehicle clean, organized, and hair-free. Now number 4, ThinkWork Car Vacuum Cleaner. This 2-in-1 20V car vacuum air compressor is a must-have for any car owner, combining powerful cleaning and inflation capabilities in one compact device. With a premium brushless motor, it delivers 18,000 pascals of suction for deep cleaning and up to 150 psi for inflating tires, making it perfect for everyday messes and emergency situations. The vacuum comes with multiple attachments: a brush head for upholstery, rubber brush for multiple surfaces, extended nozzle for tight spots, and a flexible hose, ensuring every corner of your car is spotless. Its washable filter saves money while maintaining peak performance. The air compressor is equally impressive, featuring a clear display, 4 preset modes, and 4 nozzles to inflate everything from car tires to sports balls and pool floats with ease. Compact and portable, it fits easily in your trunk or glove box. The built-in LED light makes cleaning in dark areas simple, and its lightweight design allows effortless one-hand use. A true all-in-one solution for car care. And our last choice is Rel Idle Car Vacuum Cleaner. The VC038S Pet Vac is a game-changer for pet owners, delivering powerful, cordless cleaning in a compact handheld design. With 20,000 PA suction, 60 stronger than many handheld vacuums, it effortlessly removes pet hair, cat litter, dust, and debris from carpets, couches, car interiors, and more. Dual suction modes, Eco/Max, and advanced heat dissipation ensure consistent performance for delicate surfaces or heavy messes. One of its standout features is the massive 720 ml dustbin, reducing emptying frequency by 80 compared to standard handheld vacuums. The 10,400 mAh battery supports Type-C fast charging, providing 18 to 32 minutes of runtime depending on the mode, making quick and efficient cleaning a breeze. The dual filtration system, with washable HEPA filters and a durable steel filter, keeps tiny particles trapped while protecting the motor for long-lasting performance. Accessories like the automatic rolling brush, crevice nozzle, flexible hose, and LED light make this vacuum perfect for professional-level cleaning. Compact, versatile, and pet-focused, the VC038S Pet Vac is ideal for homes and cars, offering convenience, efficiency, and a 3-year replacement promise, a perfect gift for pet owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.